Hi, good day guys. Welcome to Fanny channel. Several questions that customers always ask me. Question 1. Can I get a sample? Yes, of course. Our humidifiers has no MQs. Just order like what you want to order. Can I print my logo on your humidifiers? Of course. We print logos for you freely on this side. It's in single color. If you need other colors, just ask me. Question 3. Can you ship to my country? Yes, we can ship everywhere in the world, in the earth. Just tell us your detailed address. If you have agent in China, of course, we can send the goods in your shipping agent. Number 4. What's the warranty time? Warranty time is 1 year. Within 1 year, if you have any problems, just send us some pictures or videos to show the humidifier's problem. We can judge from pictures and videos, and then send you spare parts for maintain the humidifiers. Okay.